guys, it's me Anugya and welcome to my channel. It's festival time, so I thought of making an interesting veg snack which is Hara Bhara Kebab. So let's get started. The ingredients for Hara Bhara Kebab are whole cashews, chopped cashews and almonds, roasted besan, salt, coriander powder, cumin seeds, ghee or clarified butter, chopped garlic, mint leaves, boiled potatoes, green chilies optionally, spinach or palak, nicely washed, and breadcrumbs. Let's get started. So the first step is boil the spinach or palak. Heat water in a pan and boil the spinach. While the spinach is boiling, we can prepare a bowl with iced water. Spinach has already boiled and we'll be closing the fire now. We'll take out the spinach immediately and put in iced water. And why we are doing this is because like this the cooking will stop and the spinach will retain its green color, which looks great in the Hara Bhara Kebab. The next step is, once the spinach is cold, take it out from the iced water and take out as much water as possible and then put it in another bowl. Now we'll be grinding the spinach and mint leaves. Take your grinder and put the boiled spinach. We want to use as little water as possible for the grinding, but if you think that it's become difficult to grind, just add a bit more of water. Mint leaves. So we will now be grinding the spinach and mint leaves. You can scrape in between and feel free to add a bit of water if required. Okay, this is ground now, and now we need to get going with the next step. Heat a pan and put some ghee or clarified butter in this. Once the ghee or clarified butter is hot, we will add cumin seeds or jeera. After a few seconds, we'll add the chopped garlic. You can add some grated ginger as well and mix them. Add some chopped green chilies, which is optional. We can add the spinach and mint leaf paste now. Okay, so it's about 3 to 4 minutes and we have cooked it on high flame. We can off the fire now. We can transfer it to a plate for it to cool down completely for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we can mash the boiled potatoes. Let it cool down. Now take a big bowl and mash the potatoes. Mash them well. Add the spinach, which has cooled down now. Add roasted besan or gram flour. So I had taken a pan and roasted this besan previously. So on a pan or a tawa, you can just roast the besan till it's light brown and add it to it. It gives a nice bind. Add some coriander powder or dhania powder, salt. You can even add some chaat masala or kasuri methi to this and give a nice mix. So this is mixed well. Prepare a plate with breadcrumbs. Okay, so our mix is also ready. Just grease your hand with some ghee or clarified butter and start making balls of this mix. Just take some in your hand, make a ball, then create a cavity in between. Put the nuts, the chopped nuts that we had prepared. So this is chopped almond and chopped cashew. Even pista tastes great in this. So put this and then close this cavity. Make sure it's sealed well and just make a round shape and put it on your breadcrumbs. We can actually put it directly for cooking as well, but I like the crisp that breadcrumbs provide to the Hara Bhara Kebabs. Do the same for the rest of the mix. Now we will be putting the cashews that we have on top of these kebabs to give it a nice look. So you can halve the cashews and just put it on top of the Hara Bhara Kebabs. Press gently. Coat them well with the breadcrumbs from all sides. Turn, then coat, Just be very gentle with them because they are very soft. This is done. Do the same for the rest. You can just run them over on the breadcrumbs. This is how it looks. Heat a pan and put some ghee. We'll be shallow frying the Hara Bhara Kebabs. We need to make this on high flame. We just need to give color to the kebabs. All the other things are actually cooked. Very gently put the kebabs in the hot ghee. You can use a flat spatula as well. Just be very gentle because these are super soft. Turn them gently. They are done. Take them out on a plate. Our kebabs are ready and it's time to plate them. This is hung yogurt. I love a hung yogurt dip with these Hara Bhara kebabs, so I'll make a quick dip for this. Put some red chili powder, salt, some chaat masala. You can add some chopped garlic if you like, or you can totally omit it and give it a nice mix. This is a very simple yet very delicious dip. Our thick and creamy dip is ready, so I'll just serve it. It's time to plate the Hara Bhara kebabs. Be very gentle when you're plating because these are super soft. Looks fabulous. We'll just sprinkle some red chili powder on top and our hung yogurt dip is ready. We'll serve it together with our Hara Bhara kebabs. The Hara Bhara kebab looks absolutely amazing and I can't wait to try them. They are super soft. Wow. Very nice. Do try this recipe, guys. It's very healthy with all the goodness of spinach, and we have shallow fried instead of deep frying it. So do try it and let me know how it turns out. And don't forget to like, share and comment on this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Stay safe.